Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our moderator, Miss Linda, and also our speaker, Jess Shahira, for the kind informations. And thank you, you all, for being here today. It's really a pleasure to share something exciting and very relevant in today's world: artificial intelligence, machine learning, and how it can be applied in the medical field, especially in predicting eye redness grade. Let's start with a simple questions. What is AI? AI is when we make computers or machines think and act like humans. That means instead of us giving step-by-step instructions, the computer can actually learn, make decisions, and improve by itself. There are three main types of AI. First is artificial narrow intelligence, ANI. This is the AI we use today. It is very good at one specific job, like Netflix recommendations or image recognitions, but it cannot do everything. The second one is artificial general intelligence, AGI. This is a dream of AI researchers, a machine that can do anything a human can do: reasonings, solving problems, adapting to new situations. The third one is the artificial super intelligence, ASI. This is the future idea: machines that are smarter than humans in every way. For now, this is still theoretical. So in our daily life, what we mostly see is narrow AI, focus and specialized. All right. If you imagine AI as a ladder, we are currently standing on the first steps with narrow AI. AGI and ASI are high up the ladder, and we are not there yet. In the medical field, the AI that we use today is still within the narrow AI category. So, how does AI actually work? AI learns from data. Just like human learn from experience, AI learns from examples. We give the machines lots of data, images, numbers, stats, and the computer looks for patterns. Over time, it can make predictions or decisions. For example, if you show thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, the AI can later look at the new picture and say, that's a cat. For AI to work, it needs four main things. First is data processing: clean and prepare the data. The second one is the learning algorithms. There are mathematical models to find the patterns. Third one is the neural networks. Inspired by human brain, there are layers of artificial neurons that process informations. The fourth one is the decision systems. This makes choices and give the final result. Now, what is the difference between AI and machine learning? AI is the big idea, machines acting like humans. Machine learning is a part of AI. It means machines can learn from data without being programmed for every single task. And there's another part, deep learning, a type of ML, machine learning, that uses many layers of neural networks. Deep learning is very powerful for tasks like image analysis, which is exactly what we need in medical images. There are three main types of machine learning. First is supervised learning. We give the computer level data. For example, this is a red eye, this is not red eye. The computer learns from this and can later classify new cases. The second one is unsupervised learning. The computer gets data without labels. It tries to find hidden patterns. The third one is reinforcement learning. The computer learns by trial and error, like training a robot with rewards and punishments. For medical diagnosis, supervised learning is the most common. Okay, in supervised learning, there are two main tasks. First is regressions. Regressions is about predicting a number. For example, how red is the eye on a scale of 1 to 5? The second one is the classifications, putting things into categories. For example, is the eye redness mild, moderate, or severe? So both regressions and classifications are important for medical problems. To build machine learning systems, we usually follow 6 steps. First is collect data. The second one is to pre-process data, which is to clean and prepare the data. The third one is select important features. The fourth one is to train the model. The fifth one is to validate the model with the new data. And lastly, we deploy in the real life. Now, Let's move to my case study. This is pterygium. Pterygium is, an eye redness where tissue grows onto the cornea. One of the main problems is eye redness. Doctors usually check redness by looking at the eye, but this can be subjective. Different doctors may give different grades. AI can help by analyzing images of the eye, looking at color variations, blood vessel patterns, and giving a consistent redness grade. The purpose of my research is to build a predictions model for eye redness grading. This is useful for diagnosis and monitoring, guiding treatment decisions, education and training. But there are challenges. Current redness grading models are limited. A lack of standardized skills, difficulties in automating the process, and by using AI, we can overcome these problems because AI can handle complex patterns that traditional statistical methods cannot. Why is this research important? For the objective assessments, AI provide a consistent results, not dependent on human judgment. For the early detections, helps doctors to find problems earlier. Standardizations, some standards can be used by all doctors. For the research applications, it can be used in the clinical trials. And for better communications, a doctor can share a common language. This means AI can really improve patients' care. So, to summarize, AI is about making act intelligently. Machine learning is the core technique that allow AI to learn from data. In healthcare, AI can be applied to eye disease, such as predicting redness grades, to make diagnosis more accurate and consistent. Before I end, I want to leave you with one important message. For the students should explore the emerging world of AI, no matter which area of study you are in. This is not just about using AI tools, but also about understanding how AI works, about the techniques, the models, and also the reasonings. Only by understanding, we can truly innovate and create new AI products for the future. Right? Thank you very much for your attention.